How to recover disabled Indeed account. Now, it's really easy and simple. You basically just want to log in to the account they had already disabled, right? So this one, they disabled my account, removed my job posting that I had. So they have closed my employer account. Now, since this has been paused, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and answer these information that they want, okay? So go ahead and put in this information, give them your full name, your email address, business name, phone number. Okay, if you have a website that will really help you, a social media page, a brand page, put it in right here, your company location, and whether you are located in the same place where your job is located, okay? Then you need to provide them some verification documents to confirm that you either work for a real business or you are a real business. So you can upload these as a PDF or, scan an image as well. Usually you want to upload things like your business registration documents or your tax documents. Put them right here and then go ahead and click on save and continue. And what will happen is Indeed will review this and then they will see whether or not they can reinstate your account. It's really that easy and simple.